Welcome back. A new scam has entered the Bengaluru scene. This time, it's the taxi services ready to take advantage of the common man. And they have found an ingenious way to do so. Making a complete duplicate of the Uber app is nefarious indeed, but somehow it is rather weirdly impressive because one cannot differentiate between the real and the fake one, and here is why. A Bengaluru man, Mahesh Suthar, revealed the scam where taxi drivers used a fake Uber-like app to overcharge the passengers. So, new scam has entered the Bengaluru scene, and this time it is the taxi services who are ready to take advantage of the common man living in Bengaluru. They have found an ingenious way to do so by making a complete duplicate of the Uber app, and it is ratherly weirdly impressive that one cannot differentiate between the real Uber app and the fake one. My colleague Neha is now joining us with more details regarding this. Neha, could you give us more details about this duplicate Uber app that has been made by the taxi drivers in Bengaluru?
Well, yes, in fact, taxi riders now in Bengaluru city, especially at the airport, of course, now raising serious concerns about, fake apps there that appear to look like Uber, however, aren't Uber and end up, in fact, charging much more. Here, of course, you have a horrific incident wherein a passenger there has narrated his ordeal, the manner in which he was charged nearly 1,000 rupees more than what was initially, in fact, shown to him on the Uber app. But, of course, this now also further raises a question and the need for all of us as passengers, as riders of these taxi hailing apps to probably be a bit more cautious, because of course at the end of the day it is really of course the riders here who are having to shell out that extra money that's being asked there of the drivers. What's also interesting is that this particular post there that's been put out now has in fact evoked a host of responses from several other social media users as well, who said that they've witnessed something very similar to this. In fact, one of the riders there also who had mentioned in the comment section of this post saying that a very similar thing tried happening with him. However, he in fact convinced the driver that he's not going to pay a penny more. Of course, at the end of the day, this does raise serious concerns here about, one, the safety, because remember, Uber, of course, while on one hand it is the financial or the money aspect of things we're looking at, it's also the safety. You have the SOS button, you have tracking options there. All of this bringing to light a need for all of us as riders also to be a little bit more vigilant.
Absolutely, Neha. Please stay with us.